In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a personal access token from your account settings. A personal access token is a secure alternative to using your password when connecting apps, scripts, or tools to your account. Think of it like a special key that grants access without exposing your actual login information. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need, and I'll share a few tips to keep things clear and safe. Start by locating your profile icon on the left side corner of the screen. This might be your avatar, initials, or a small user icon. Click it to open your account menu. From there, select Settings. Settings is where you control how your account behaves, including privacy and sign-in preferences, so it's the right place to create and manage secure credentials. Inside Settings, look for the Security section. Click Security to open it. This area is dedicated to protecting your account, and it's where you'll find options to review access and manage authentication tools. Within security, go to Personal Access Tokens. This page lists any tokens you've created and is the central place for generating new ones. Tokens created here act like passwords for automated systems, so you should treat them with the same care. Click on Generate New Token. This action starts the token creation process and prepares the system to assign a unique, secure string to your account. Next, type your token name. Pick a clear, descriptive name that helps you remember its purpose later, like the app or task it's for. Adding brief context can save you time in the future. Keep the name simple and meaningful, and avoid including any sensitive information in the name itself. When you're ready, click on Generate Token. The system will create your new token for you. This step finalizes everything and ties the token to your account security settings. That's it. You've successfully created a personal access token. A few quick reminders to keep you safe. Treat your token like a password, don't share it publicly, and be mindful of where you use it. If you ever need to review or manage your tokens, remember that you can return to the same personal access token section under Security in Settings. Thanks for following along. By using personal access tokens instead of passwords, you're adding a layer of safety and control to how your tools connect to your account. If this walkthrough was helpful, feel free to replay any section while you click through the steps on